Hey guys, Paul from Modern. I want to talk about something pretty simple today, but it's also one of those things that's very overlooked. It's also one of those things, if you don't do it, ends up costing you a lot of money. So, axles, bearings, they need to be greased. What we recommend to everybody is, do it every time you do your oil change. It's simple, it's easy, it costs you half a tube of grease in about 15 minutes per side. All you need to do, jack the machine up, purge the bearings. In the link below, you'll see the URL that takes you to the video from Dexter that shows you exactly how to go and do it, what's going on in there, how it's being purged, all the rest of it. It's very simple. More importantly is what happens if you don't. If you don't, you will blow that bearing. When you take out the bearing, you're going to take out the spindle, you're going to take out the hub. Hopefully you're not sitting on the side of the road with the tire falling off. And at that point, you probably end up just having to replace the whole axle. Several $1,000s worth of damage. Really important is, think about the world we're in right now. Post-COVID, getting parts is not a simple thing. Everybody's seen that, we know that. So we need to maintain what we have. If we don't, that axle goes out, we're talking a week at best to get those parts in. Can you afford a week of downtime because you didn't go through and spend the 15 minutes and a half a tube of grease? Doesn't make sense, right? So, follow the link below. Make sure you're purging those bearings. Do that every time you do your oil change, guys. Again, it's quick, it's simple, it's easy, and it will save you money in the long run. Thank you. You have a great day.